All right, XRP Army, welcome back to the channel. People are calling this an XRP crash, and this headline is tending to scare a lot of people right now. XRP crash incoming. Price fails to hold $2.20. 20 cents. Not sure why I said it like that, but we're going to dive into it, guys, and give you guys the real story here. What's going on? What's happening with the price of XRP? What's going on in the markets? And if we're truly in a situation where we need to be afraid of something. We're going to dive into all of that in this video, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hopefully you guys had a great Christmas yesterday with family and friends. And we are back to business, back to the grind here in cryptocurrency as we get close to 2025. We could see the overall market has pulled back. We had a nice little pop up there to $99,000 Bitcoin. And we're back down now to 95.5. Remember here, we have strong support at $92,000 on Bitcoin. So right now we're just trending sideways, essentially. Not a lot going on in the markets. Ethereum hanging in there at 3,300. We've got a couple cryptos up in the green. Nothing too crazy. A lot of the exchange tokens actually performing well right now. Other than that, it's now the stable coins right in there, right after that. And everything else is pretty much in the red. We overall down today 3.24% right now at the time of this recording. And XRP in particular down to $2.15. And this has caused some controversy and some fear in the markets. But I'm here to tell you, we should not be extremely fearful here. Like, we should not be freaking out, risking it all. But I want to give you guys some of the numbers behind what we're seeing here. And XRP's price has declined with the upcoming unlock of 1 billion tokens. This has something to do with it, but I do think there's a lot to do with just the wider market sell-off. But yes, there is an unlock of 1 billion tokens coming. XRP's open interest has dropped by 31%, hinting at the liquidation of traders' positions. XRP could drop by 14% and reach that $1.88 mark if it closes a daily candle below $2.15. So this is what we're looking at today very closely here. If we are unable to hold 215 from a technical standpoint, there's a chance that we could go down and touch 188. Now, we did wick down here to 197 here in the last 7 days, and we didn't stay there very long. We bounced off it pretty hard. But this was all throughout 1 day's period, right? So if we close below 215, we do risk losing the $2 mark, although we've lost it a couple different times here. You know, we lost it right here at the beginning of the month on the 10th. We lost it right here on the 20th, just 6 days ago. And we've recovered each time. Each time we've dipped down below $2, we've seen whales come in heavily. I think if we get that opportunity again, it's just going to be very similar, in my opinion. I think it's an opportunity. If you believe in XRP long term, it'd be an accumulation spot for you on XRP. So let's get into some of the specifics. Why is the XRP price falling? That's what you want to know. Well, we have that unlock of 1 billion tokens. We talked about the broader market selling off, and I think we just are due for a cool down period. But when we really look at XRP's chart and zoom out, things are not that bad at all, guys. We're consolidating really nicely here. We're trending sideways. Nothing is out of the ordinary here when we look at these charts. And yes, we have fallen open interest. Traders appear hesitant right now to build new positions because there's a little bit of uncertainty, right? Anytime you see the market cool down and there's consolidation, there are people who bet big that it will go up. And then there are even more people who just stay pat and wait for the next move, right? And right now, you don't have a lot of open interest. According to CoinGlass data, XRP's open interest dropped by 31%, hinting at the liquidation of traders' positions here in the past 24 hours. Traders' long liquidations, okay? The price decline has liquidated 6.84 million worth of XRP longs out of their positions, as revealed by on-chain analytics firm CoinGlass. And then amid this bearish outlook, XRP has failed to hold its crucial support of 220. Since the beginning of December 2024, the price has reached the level 4 times, each time witnessing upside momentum. However, XRP has now failed to maintain this level and appears to be falling toward the next support area. And again, XRP still has a chance to mitigate the price decline if we can stay above and get a daily candle close above the 215 level. If not, there's a strong possibility we could drop by 14% from these current levels, go down there to $1.88. That would create Obviously, another line of strong support, most likely. I don't see the whales not coming in, though, if the price goes down below $2. We've seen that happen again twice here in December. XRP's bearish thesis will hold only if the daily close is below the 215 mark. So that's what we'll be watching for today, guys. It's sitting right on that level right now. It is literally right on 215. So we're going to see which direction we're going to go. And we'll see if the whales come in here and save the day for Ripple XRP. But I do think, guys, in the grand scheme of things, we are in a broader bull run. I think we still have some great months ahead as we roll into 2025. Some people think it'll be a phenomenal year in 2025. Who knows, right? But I think at the bare minimum, we get a really good Q1, potentially Q2. At least the first half of 2025 for me looks very, very promising. We're just going to have to watch closely the rotation from Bitcoin into altcoins. That's really what we're watching for. Right now, all the institutional money has been driven into Bitcoin ETFs. We're waiting for that big transition period, right? For that money to flow from the top asset all the way down. And usually it starts with Ethereum and then trickles down into the other assets. That's really what we're looking for. Now, we mentioned this yesterday a little bit. Lawsuit timeline, what to expect. Remember, guys, January 15th is the deadline for the SEC to file their opening brief in the Ripple case. The industry's waiting to see if new leadership at the SEC could become more favorable. There's an outside chance that Paul Atkins could lead to a dismissal of the Ripple lawsuit. He would have to make a major leap of faith here. XRP, if this were to happen, is expected to obviously increase in price if this were to happen. Not financial advice, but we've seen how XRP has responded and reacted to major news events like this in the past. And if and when, I don't think it's a matter of when, it's really a matter of if for me. So, or excuse me, it's a matter of when, not if. When we get the dismissal of the lawsuit, when the lawsuit is behind us, this is when I think the attention will shift quickly and sharply to XRP ETFs. And once that conversation starts to happen, that to me is another major catalyst for XRP. I think these are the two catalysts I'm eyeing as we roll into 2025. And that's what I'll be looking for, to excuse me. That's what I'll be looking for as we roll into 2025. I don't have my water right next to me. Just lost my voice there for a minute. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. And listen, guys, this is not the end of the road. It's not the end of the world. It's just a price pullback in the overall market. Now, again, if we're trading XRP, if we're looking at this closely, that 215 range is important. If we can stay above that, things look promising. If not, we can come down to 188, which is our next support level. We'll be watching that closely on that daily close today. I got to get some water. We'll see you guys in the next video.